What's going on, YouTube? Coming at you tonight. It's Friday, 9:15 Phoenix local time. Got a video. It's a short video. Got 4 cars. Nothing too fancy. We're actually gonna start with a mainline Hot Wheel. There will be a chase car at the end of the video, and it's a couple of cool cars. This not really being one of them. I don't buy a lot of mainline Hot Wheels stuff, but if I see castings I like, I do pick them up, and then they go into a Ziploc bag and then into a Tupperware tub. So this will go in the Ford tub. Eventually it'll get big enough where I can separate out the Lincolns and Mercurys. But right now, all of the Ford is in a tub. Chevy cars are in a tub. Chevy trucks are in a different tub. And then I've got Euro and Japanese all sorted out. But it's a cool car. I mean, a nice Lincoln Continental. As far as the art cars go, I think I like this one the best. Not just because of the casting, but the design isn't too crazy other than that big white W on top. So, pretty cool casting. I like this casting. I really liked the black one from the James Bond series. That was a nice car. So, it's pretty sharp looking. Here's another junker, just a horrible car. The only reason I picked this up is because I'm chipping away at the retros. Unfortunately, because of that, because I pick up the ones I need whenever I see them, especially the wild finds where I'm not spending $6 or $7 or more. I'm going to pick them up. So I got this Batwing. Not really sure. It's a pretty cool casting for what it is. It's just not a Hot Wheel. I wish they would not have done this with the Retro Entertainment line. But they did. So here you go. And then, so I got that, and then this retro is pretty cool. I found these on eBay. The guy had 2 of these for $20 shipped. I thought that was a pretty good price, so went ahead and picked them up. I've got a whole bunch of duplicates that I haven't cracked, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. Probably hold on to them for a while, see what happens with the set. Eventually I'll probably trade them off or sell them. But this thing is sweet. This, to me, I know this Power Wagon has come out in the pop culture, and it's come out a couple times, the Red Line Club. But I think this is my favorite of all of them. Only thing I don't like about it is that base. That base is just too much. There's just too much going on with it, this middle part here. If they could have left that off, it would look a lot better. But the actual casting and the livery, the graphics, I think look awesome. Got the light bar. A paint flaw there. No big deal. I love the wheels and tires. The push bar. You do have a license plate, which is on the push bar, which is a plastic piece. You also have a painted grille and headlights behind there. So there's really good detail in the truck. You got brake lights, reverse lights, license plate in the back. So it's an awesome truck. They did a really nice job with it. I had to get those to add to the collection. And the last car that I got is one of those buys. Every now and then you can find a good deal on eBay. I don't know if I'd say this is a great deal, but it was being sold as just a regular Johnny Lightning 1963 Chevy Impala. But the picture, I could see that it was a white Lightning, but they didn't have it described that way. I don't know if they knew that it was a white Lightning, but if they did, they weren't selling it as a white Lightning. But with that said, I think the price was pretty good. You know, this at retail, I would say, would sell for maybe 15 bucks. That might even be a little high. And I paid $10 shipped. So it was an okay deal. Wasn't great. But I will say this. This is the nicest Johnny Lightning card I've ever seen. Ever. It is basically mint. There is literally nothing wrong with this card. Look at the edges. It is just flawless. It's like it just came out of the case. You just don't see them like this very often. Absolutely perfect. And the blister is also in really good shape. So it kind of pains me a little bit to take this off the blister, but I just don't collect cardboard, so we're gonna do it. This is an awesome little casting hook. Get that off of there. So we've got a really nice metal flake silver paint job. Just the light. It's not the best color for this light. I really like the wheels because it's the Krager style wheels, but they're white. I don't think any of my white Lightnings have these wheels. And just an awesome little 63 metal body, metal base, rubber tires with tread. Really good detail. You got your back end there. Got your white wheels, white interior. That's your indication that it's a white Lightning. Opening hood. It's actually really good detail in there. Nice front end too. This is a really cool little Impala. I'm glad that I found it. I'm glad I picked it up. There's a regular on eBay right now, and I think it's like $1 more than what I paid for this one. So pretty cool to find chase cars in that $10 range. Whether it's a Ultra Red or a Super Treasure Hunt or a Green Machine, I found all of them at some point or another in the $10 price range. So really cool car. This is going to be a good addition. Really nice roller. I love this 63 body style. I think that's one of the best Impalas that ever came out, in my opinion. So there you go. That's kind of where we're at. I might as well show you guys here. I'll take this and we'll do just a quick little update on the pop culture. Because I've had, I got my plate out here. added quite a bit to it lately. So I got here the original Ecto one that came out. And here's the cartoon Ecto. And then in here, I've got the second Ecto and the Ecto 1A. These are all pop, so got the top left, you've got the Christine Camaro, the Tommy Boy Plymouth, the Koenigsegg, Miami Vice Ferrari, Heart to Heart Ferrari, another Miami Vice Ferrari Daytona, Karate Kid, A-Team, Emergency, Scooby-Doo, Back to the Future, Friday Night Lights, Fast and Furious, Brady Bunch, Christine. I don't remember what that one was. Batman, Knight Rider, The Italian Job. So that's that side. I'd say I'm probably 40% complete on this, counting the new Forza and Gran Turismo. We got American Graffiti, got all the Time Machines, 90210, Anchorman, A-Team, Bond, Star Trek, Close Encounters, Taxi, Bond, Starsky and Hutch, Batman, Stripes, Bond, Batman, Jetsons, Smokey and the Bear, Simon and Simon. So, almost have a... Well, actually, if I could fit those three in it, it would be a full jammer. And the Power Wagon isn't going to go in either. So, if I take... Yeah, Power Wagon ain't going to fit. So I'll have to mess with that, but that's basically the retro collection. So that's it for tonight. Thank you for checking out the video. Hopefully I'll have some cool stuff soon. And I'll holler at you all at the next video.